I'm excited to share with you this unique opportunity to join us for a short course on how to master your mindsets so you can get stuff done and be in control and deal with what needs to be dealt with on the one hand, and then use a different mindset when you need to be agile, creative, adaptive to lead change, transformation and innovation. My name is Nick Jankel. I'm the co-founder and chief transformation officer of Switch On. I've been leading innovation projects for over 20 years with some of the biggest names in the world. And for the last 15 years, I've been working with C-suite leaders and managers of all levels in large organizations, multinationals, enterprises, and startups to help them do one thing, which is to use their mind, this thing, the only thing we're ever going to get as a leader and a manager to create change, to create impact, and to drive results. How to use that one mind to the max. I have a background in medicine, and over the last few years, there have been stunning new breakthroughs in the neuroscience of creativity and the neuroscience of consciousness. And on this short course, I share with you this astounding fact that we don't just have one mindset to deal with the problems that we face as managers and leaders. We actually have two different brain networks that solve very different types of problems. So we will explore what those different problems are and how to identify one from the other. We'll also look at how to switch between these brain networks so that we can, on the one hand, get stuff done, and on the other hand, create new solutions to problems that have never been faced before, difficult problems that are emerging because of the fast changing world. I'll also share a third brain network that's deep within our ancient brain. And it's this brain network that actually switches between the different mindsets. So we can't just decide cognitively to be in a different mindset, to be creative, to be agile, to be innovative. We actually have to master our emotions and also master our bodily state. And I'll be explaining some of the latest science and psychology of emotional intelligence, of what we call interoceptive intelligence, so that you can master your mind and be in the right mode for the moment. We'll also look at the many cognitive biases that we all develop to make decisions effectively and to get stuff done, but how they also cause us to fail, particularly in times of change and uncertainty and complexity. And we'll look at how to hack through those different sense-making and decision-making lenses so that you can have a clear mind and an open mind to make the right decisions about the problems that you face, problems that probably no one's ever faced before in your organization. And finally, we'll also look at how emotional stability and emotional safety, what some call psychological safety, is crucial to create for ourselves so that we ourselves can change as leaders, as managers, as team members. And also some of the tools and tips for creating stability and safety for others in the teams we're part of, in the organizations that we lead, so that others can change with us. And so together we can lead innovation, transformation, and adaptation to the fast, the ruthlessly and relentlessly changing world. So join me on this 3-week short course to master the mindsets you need to lead successfully in change and in challenge.